taking a photo. Honey, I'm taking a photo. Okay. Right. Another one. Ready? Oh.
Totally, that's cool. Like you can change it.
Okay.
But you can go either side.
Yeah.
What phone do you
Oh,
have?
can you not?
Samsung?
I do.
Done?
Wow.
Silly iPhone.
Could you bring it to you? You know, to look at you, and then you can take it to look at.
So I have to stop there.
Oh, really? Wow.
Mum, just look here.
Alright, my phone's dead now.